Hi, boys and girls, it's Mrs. Issa here. Today we're going to work on words with long A, with the A consonant E spelling pattern. Objective: I can read and tap out words with long vowel A. Language: I can read and tell my partner words with the long A sound. First word is bake. Tap it. B-A-K. Bake. Lake. L-A-K. Lake. Shake. Sh-A-K. Shake. I see a digraph here. S-H. Rake. R-A-K. Rake. Mate. M-A-T. Mate. Hate. H-A-T. Hate. Skate. S-K-A-T. Skate. Ate. 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 She ate a hamburger. Cake. A-K. Cake. Cave. Ave. Cave. Great job, boys and girls.